In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Vendasta's Task Manager to streamline your work and stay organized. If you've been searching for a way to efficiently manage tasks within the Vendasta platform, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips to maximize your productivity. Now, before we dive in, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try Vendasta's Task Manager and all its features completely free, just check the first link below for an extended free trial, along with some amazing bonuses. Don't miss out on that. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you'll notice when you open the Task Manager is its clean and intuitive layout. The platform is designed to help you easily manage tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress all in one place. You don't need to go digging through multiple tabs. Everything you need is right here. Next thing, adding a new task is a breeze. All you have to do is click the Create Task button, fill in the details, like the task name, description, and deadline. You can also assign the task to someone in your team directly from the screen. This feature saves you a ton of time compared to using separate tools, or even email chains to assign and track tasks. The third thing you'll love about Vendasta's Task Manager is its prioritization system. You can easily set priority levels for each task, so you and your team know what's urgent and what can wait. Whether it's low, medium, or high priority, this helps keep everyone on the same page and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk about tracking. The Task Manager has a built-in progress tracker. This allows you to see at a glance how each task is progressing. You can view the status of the task in real time, whether it's completed, in progress, or still pending. This helps you stay on top of deadlines without manually checking in on each task. The fifth thing to note is how easy it is to collaborate with your team. You can leave comments on tasks, attach relevant files, and even communicate directly through the platform. This feature keeps all your discussions organized in one spot, eliminating the need to jump between different communication channels. And the last thing, reports. Vendasta's Task Manager provides you with detailed reports on your team's productivity. You can quickly analyze what's been completed, what's overdue, and identify any bottlenecks in your workflow. This gives you valuable insights into team performance and allows you to make adjustments as needed. To recap, Vendasta's Task Manager is designed to simplify task management. From adding and assigning tasks to tracking progress and collaborating with your team, it's a powerful tool that can improve your productivity. And remember, if you want to try this software for free, click the link in the description for an exclusive extended trial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to grab your bonus and give Vendasta's Task Manager a try.